Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to this knit that is incredibly stretchy and has the same appearance on both sides. There are 4 loops and 1 row in the scheme. The number of loops in the pattern is a multiple of 4 plus 4 edge stitches. Purl stitches are slipped with yarn over on both sides, while the knit stitches are knitted together with yarn over. The row begins with 2 purl stitches and finishes with 2 knit stitches. On both sides after the edge stitches, the repeat pattern is: slip 1 loop with yarn over, slip 1 loop with yarn over, knit the loop and the yarn over stitch together, knit the loop and the yarn over stitch together, slip 1 loop, yarn over, slip 1 loop, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. The repeat pattern is the same on the second row. After 2 edge stitches, slip 1 loop, yarn over, slip 1 loop, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. This incredibly tight elastic works well for wide bands on sleeves, the bottom of sweaters or tunics, and entire outfits when a tight fit is desired on the body. It will also look fantastic on a scarf or winter cap. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.